Welcome to another vlog. I will be here showing you how to overcome your overeating. Boom. Yeah, I'm gonna help you out. I'm gonna give you some tips and some tricks and how to overcome your overeating. Because if you're trying to lose weight or lose fat, or you just want to just chill, stop eating, came to the right place. Boom. Stay away from TV or anything distracting, like your phone, TV. If you're like eating, stay away from that stuff. Don't eat while watching TV. Focus on your food. I got this from one of my homies. He told me about this. So shout out to him. You know who you are if you watch this. But yeah, stay focused on your food. Why are you watching like a show and eating? Something, I don't have the studies or anything, but like you're so focused on the video or your phone and you're eating at the same time, you're basically tricking your brain into feeling like not full. Or for me at least. So that's one. Stay away from distractions. Focus on your food. Alright. 2. Smaller plates. Psychologically, if you fill up a smaller plate, you will psychologically feel full. What am I saying? I'm saying, and let's just say we had like a bowl of noodles or something like, I don't know, vegetables, french fries, whatever, in a bigger bowl, right? And it looks empty. Our psychology, our mind tends to want to see it full, so we put more food in a bigger plate. But if you have a smaller plate, I gotta stop pointing. You have a smaller plate and you fill it up, your mind is basically telling your body that it's full already. Well, like more full than it originally is. Alright, that's 2. Smaller plates. 3. Drink water before you eat. I'm talking about 1 to 2 cups. Why? Because it fills you up and there's no calories. And you'll feel more full, so you don't eat more. It's kind of like dumb people that, drink or smoke. Obviously, if you're trying to stop overeating, you should don't drink or smoke before you eat. Because for me personally, when I drink, I overeat like crazy. Because I think in the back of my mind, food tastes mad good when you're like on drugs. I don't know why. Well, actually, I know why. Because drugs supposed to make you feel better. So no drinking, no smoking before you eat. And that's it. That was simple and quick. Like, I'm pretty sure there's more, but I can't think of any. It's just, this is for the vlog channel. But if you guys enjoy those little tips, just, subscribe, like, comment, and I'll help you with your semi-fitness goals or your eating goals. Because, I used to be an overeater. I still overeat here and there. It's not good, but I don't do it as much as I used to because I care about my body too much. And you should too, because your body is your mind. Gotta be healthy, bro. Alright, thank you for watching. Why am I pointing? See you in the next vid.